See 25 miles from the top of there on a clear day. That day, I have to tell you, is not today. The weather has been appalling, but the people have turned out in their thousands. Just take a look and a listen at this. Wait till these bangs go through. Listen to this. You can feel it running straight through your body on him. There. Fantastic. He said, a firework display is a phenomenon, a triumphant celebration. I consider myself to be an artist. I'll tell you what, he's absolutely right. This is beautiful. The smell of cordite is drifting across the Thames here. Amazing. The gunpowder, the fireboats are coming in through the middle as well. And it makes me think, as you smell the gunpowder here, it makes you think of our friends abroad, our family abroad, people who are serving abroad, who can't be here tonight. No matter what the politics are, they're our family, and we're thinking about them as we watch this. big starbursts. We all love those. As I said, this was designed by a Frenchman who started his career with the Barcelona Olympics. He said, I'm an artist, but not a great one, but a creator of works of art nonetheless. I'll tell you what, he hasn't done a bad job, has he? What a character. I hope you're getting this all around the country. It goes from, he tries to create light and shade at the moment. It's like a fairyland with all the lights and different colours firing off. You can see the pyro boat drifting across on the water there, the reflection. And we're building up now towards the big crescendo, the end of the display, which I guarantee you will be phenomenal. Hug someone close to you. Do something amazing this year. Let this inspire you.